Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add Etsy reviews to your posts. So for example, for Google reviews we have lots of widgets which we could use, but for Etsy not. So first of all, let's go to our posts and let's open up one post where we want to put it. Now after that you will need a widget to add a Etsy review. So let's go ahead to Elf site. Here you just can sign up for free. They have a free option, a subscription. And after that, you can go ahead and create a widget. Now, you will need to choose a template. So first of all, we need to add a new app, which would be, let's see, all-in-one reviews or Etsy reviews. Now we're going to choose a template which fits us the best. Maybe a dark one. So let's continue with this template. Now you will have to add your Etsy shop review, your Etsy shop URL. Now you will need to wait a little bit for reviews to be collected. Now, once your reviews were done, you're just gonna copy the code, which you have here. And after that, you're gonna go ahead here and add your reviews. For example, let's insert them somewhere here. Now let's add a container and let's write down embed code. So you want to find either this code or embed. Now basically you can choose to write HTML, custom HTML, and after that just click preview and your reviews will appear here. It takes time to load up, but basically that's it guys. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.